Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we are taking a look at LTC coin. Now, starting with daily time frame, we have had a nice breakout structure near $105 area, most likely heading towards this local resistance area, and after we see a proper breakout from this zone, major target is going to be our next target. So we have basically two potential trades that we can take if we would open immediately from current market price. Then risk and reward ratio, it wouldn't be so great, but I would even narrow it down to EMAs here. And second would be something like this. So let's take another one with risk and reward ratio being much better now. So what we are expecting overall is a further movement to the upper zones if we look purely on the daily time frame. Target first 150 area, second target 250 area. Now we see that LTC coin has been stably bullish, I would say, mostly. Yes, we had these like downward movements here, so correctional movements, which is logical, but nevertheless, we still have been seeing pretty decent movements on the LTC coin. Now going to the 30-minute time frame to take a look on the smaller time frame, and what we have noticed or before already, this CME gap here, which is bearish currently. Now, although we see that there is some kind of feeling happening right now, we might actually not feel fully the CME gap. But nevertheless, if we see a breakdown from this region, so this one here, then there is most likely a chance to go and fill fully this CME gap here, which would mean that there is an opportunity for a short position. But before that, we are not going to go into any short positions right now, and not going to go into any like scalpings as well currently, because going on a 5-minute time frame, you can see that markets are rather pretty choppy right now. You can see the chart hasn't yet fully developed itself because it is very volatile currently, although we had pretty nice breakout structure right now. So price is moving up. You can see the candle a little bit messed up here, but I think you get the point. So getting back to the daily time frame, on the smaller time frames, we wouldn't open any trade as mentioned already, but nevertheless, if we see a correction moment, this would mean only that there is again a better price to buy in and dollar cost average the whole position that you would open on the LTC coin. So there's nothing much more to talk about. EMAs are far away, but if we check the previous times when we had a similar movement, so for example here or here, it was actually a start for a new high, like a local high, not new all-time high. So based on this, the EMA shouldn't be concerned. What is slightly concerning is the RSI here, which is getting heavily into overbought zones. So definitely keep an eye on this one. So that's it for Delta coin. As always, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.